Hi, my name is Mark, and I'm here today to help you with the beginnings of Canva. So, if you're not familiar with Canva, then let me introduce Canva to you. And I'm just going to go over the basics today, and I will show you that very soon. Now, if you're not certain about Canva, well, I've just gone to their newsroom and I've actually looked at this particular article, and right now, Canva is crushing it. It's a very popular application, and a lot of designers are now using it. Not only just designers, but marketers and plenty of other businesses out there are using it for their own solo business. So here are some figures and facts that I found about Canva 2019. And really, it is growing by billions of designs, and it's grown even further from 2019. It's extremely popular. So with Canva, you have a free version and you also have a paid version. And if you really want to save time, then you really go for the paid version. But today, I'm just going to show you how to use the free version and look at all the actual basics of Canva and just go over them. In another video, I'm going to go over some essential tips and even have a look at the actual pro version. So if you want to look at those videos later, then just all you need to do is just subscribe and you'll be notified when the videos are available. So let's continue with Canva. As you can see, these are the facts of Canva right now. 50 designs per second are being made. It really is an amazing tool, and this really just states it all for you. It's now in 100 languages. It's one of the fastest growth by country, so it's growing tremendously throughout the world. Indonesia is growing by 645%. Doesn't really tell you by population, but as you can see, it is a phenomenal application. And you probably come to here and you realize that now you want to use Canva and you're aware of it, and this is definitely going to really help you. So, okay, information over with Canva. Let's get straight into the software. Now, what I've done is that this is not actually my account. It's actually a new one that I've just set up. So there's literally no designs in here whatsoever. It's a free account, and I'm going to show you the basics. And it really is a necessity to know them right away, so you can get straight into designing later. So what are those basics? Let's take a look at them. So let's go through, let me turn off my camera for a second. So let's go through the basics here on the left side. All right, so this is where all your projects are kept, your templates. So when you've designed something, they'll be in your projects just here. Okay, you have around about 2 folders in your free one, so that's not a problem. I think it's 2 or 3 folders. Okay, and this is where you purchase something, or if you kept something as a favorite, then you can star it and you can select that collection just there. These are your uploads. So at the moment, like I said, there's nothing in here to demonstrate. Okay, so those are the folders, designs. You also have templates. In your templates, it's a huge selection of what you can actually design in Canva, and really it has everything that you need. At the top here, these are your main categories. So these are all your popular categories. And now you can actually browse your templates, but right at the bottom, if you just scroll down, you see other popular, these are recommended ones, so what people are actually using, and they're very important ones. Oh look, even got trending near you. So these are the things that are trending right now, the designs that you can actually use the 4th of July, new in Canva. So all the new templates that you can find just right here, and these are updated all the time. Videos is a very popular Yeah, videos are very popular. It is one of the best content that you should be designing right now to actually get plenty of attention. Yeah, presentations for your business, or when you going out doing meetings, logos. So if you haven't designed a logo yet, then you can design one here, and they're pretty good quality logos. Okay. Now for Instagram posts, which is also a very popular one. We all know this. It's very popular, Instagram, and will always be very popular. Um, Flyers, if you're still doing flyers, that is. So those are your templates, your recommended ones. And we've also got the others here, so you can just go directly to them at the top. Okay, right, at the side here, you have filters. So business, look at all these, amazing. It's got literally everything for you that you need to run a successful business. Social media, so all Instagram, Facebook, TikTok video as well, which is extremely popular. I'll do a lesson on this one later. There is LinkedIn, if you're on LinkedIn, and animated social media also. Video, excellent. Marketing, so if you're doing any marketing, especially newsletters are very important for online businesses, and logo design, as well as an infographic. So I will go through this in another lesson, don't worry. Customer prints. So if you are thinking of doing a digital product, so you're selling them online, then you can design your digital products just here. T-shirts, stickers, mugs, okay, cards and invitations. And if you're thinking of doing some tutorials, then you can choose some of these designs. Perfect. Now you can also look at styles as well. So all different types of styles depending on the mood of the content that you want to produce. And this is going to be the theme. So what type of theme? Party, health, fun, education, holiday. So we take a look at the holiday, for example. So here are all your templates for holiday, and you can take a look at them either for the free. So if you look at here, you can find that you can look, most of them are free. It's not too bad. But if you have a look, there's a crown just there, and it's pro. So if you haven't got the pro version just yet, and you just use the free version, then you're going to have all these pro designs. Now, if you want to get rid of all those pro designs, just go to this. This will filter that out, press the free, and that will just give you all the free designs that you need. Okay? So now you have a huge selection of free designs that you can use on all different types of social media content. So now also you can filter it by colors. Okay, so if I want to choose, let's say, the nice green color, and now it should come up with all green designs. Isn't that great? So if we look at, it looks like St. Patrick's Day is the main theme. You can customize the template, which is states there, and there's also some examples at the bottom as well that you can use if you decide that this is not the one. So if you want to use this St. Patrick's Day, customize the template. It's 100% fully customizable, and then you can get straight into the design. So let me show you how to use some design features. So these are your basics. Let me show you through them how you can use them. The first one is this is your main templates. These are also templates below. Now you can go into the filter section, but it doesn't give you the free and pro this time. Bit of a secret, that one. But you can select the colors, okay, and it will give you the types of colors. You can also choose different languages, and it will come out with designs based on those languages. Now here you can also put in keywords. So if you're looking for something, let's say some beautiful flowers, okay, it will come up with a lot of flower designs, and you can choose any of those. Right, now let's get into the design just now. Oh, another thing is it also has other types of categories. So if you type in the main category, which is flowers, it also gives you ideas of what other types of words that you can look for, which will give different designs. So example, flower border. So as you can see, the flowers around the borders. So it will pick up on a lot of different content keywords as well, and it will highlight them below for you. So you have a huge option when it comes to selecting a lot of different designs. And these are all your templates. Now, if you go into the elements, and it will come up with examples of what elements you can use, recently used, of the ones that you just recently used. Lines and shapes, which is quite an important one. You've got graphics and stickers, photos as well, and videos, and also audio, as well as your charts and tables and frames and all types of essential things that you can use for your design. Now, let's take a look at this one here. This is your uploads. So you can upload media such as your images or your videos or audio from your computer. You can also connect an account and you can get the media from those accounts, even Instagram as well. You can also drag media to it. So from your computer, you can drag it straight into there. Also, there's a choice, record yourself. Let me have a try. So let's allow that, allow the microphone, and got it. And we're going to have the, let me change this here. Okay, there we are. Look, I'm recording myself on here, so I can record like so. And there we go, it's recording. So I can record something on the actual graphic, which is very interesting, right? And you could probably send this out to your clients. You can tell them what's happening in the design, what have you done, and so on, which is a really good feature, I think. And when you press done, press save and exit. And there we go, it's recording. So I can record something on the actual graphic, which is very interesting, right? That is the recording, and it's just set there. So the recording has gone straight into the videos, and you can use that. This is like your library, so you can come to that. You can go to that later and use it whenever you want in all your different other types of designs. You can do it like a welcome message as well, it seems. So it is your text. So you want to change the text. Now, there's a lot of things that you can do with this text. You just highlight it, get the purple box around there, and you can change all the different types of fonts that it has. Again, some of the fonts are pro, that you need a pro account, and the highlighted ones without the little crown to the right can be used, and that's your actual font that you can use. They're the free fonts, which are pretty good. You can also look for fonts this way in your search bar for the fonts. And when you change it, it'll instantly change the text as well. And you can you can change the text size just on here and increase it, lower it. And in the middle, if you press in the middle and go all the way down, it has set font sizes. Also, it doesn't have the bold right now, but some of the text will have the bold and high italic, which is slanting the text. This will align it center, left, middle, justify, list. This is the spacing, the letter spacing, so on. You've also got these really good effects, so you can lift them, and this changes it instantly. There we go. It's not great, is it? And this adds a little background to it. You can also change it as you go along, you know, the size, the spread, roundness. So you can change those types of text, the way that you want to change it through these adjustments, these adjustment controls, the color as well. So if you want to change the color of the background, there you go. Excellent. And I change it into like a little light one, just like that. Excellent. And maybe I change that font into a white. There we go. So it stands out a lot better. Also has heading, so the main heading, subheading, and a text. So you can put a paragraph in there at all different sizes. Also, it comes with preset text titles. So if I choose one of these, it will automatically go on to the graphic into the space, and you can change it how you please. For example, okay, delete that. Oh, delete the group. There we go. All right, so go all the way down, and you can see all the different types of kind of text patterns that you can find. Yeah. Again, some of them will come with Pro. So as you can see at the moment, free plan is great, but it would be better if you could go to a Pro account. It would give you a lot more options. And I'll put a video on this later